A what? Yeah, which means somebody's trying to get some water out here. Time to go. Hello guys, and welcome back, honey, to Tracie Takes On. As you can see, honey, I am starting a new vlog this Sunday morning, and I am in the car, honey. We rolling. I'm taking you with me. We are actually about to go to Moss Rock Preserve, which is like a kind of a hiking trail. And I say I'm going with my prayer circle group. It's my friends. We have calls every Saturday morning, prayer calls, and we decided to elevate our experiences, spiritual experiences, and just fellowship with one another by going for a little walk through the trails and having like a little lunch out there and everything. So I've got my stuff packed, got my lunch packed, got my little bag, speaker, everything, for us to just kind of hang out and just chill and fellowship and have a good time. So I'm on my way there today. Of course, this is my first time actually visiting this actual hiking trail, so I'm excited about it. I hear really great things about it. I heard how pretty it is. So we just gonna go for a little hike. I got my hat on, hair pulled back, child, workout clothes, and I actually pulled out my beef and broccoli Timberlands. And if y'all don't know what those are, look them up, or I might put a little picture in, honey. I've had these since I was probably in the 10th grade, and they have held up so well. I barely wore them, so they're in pretty good condition, and I usually use them when I go for hikes and stuff like that. So dust those off, hose them off, dry them out, and Lysol them out and everything. So we're gonna be on the move, honey, on the move this morning. So if you are new here, thank you so much for taking the time to chill and hang out with me. If you are returning, welcome back. And before we even get started, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed, as I say always, what are we waiting on, darling? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's right here. So I'm happy again to, you know, have you guys with me, and this should be fun. This should be fun. I'm excited about it. Now, I ain't gonna lie, with all this stuff going on with these campers and van people and stuff, I've been a little scared, because I've been kind of binging and watching stories about that kind of stuff, and there's a lot of people that go off the grid in the woods. So I'm a little nervous about that, and I pray God put his protective arms around all of us. But I just, you know, that's in the back of my mind too. Oh, we don't see nothing we don't need to see, and don't be engaging with anyone we don't need to engage with while we're on our trail. I can't say my experiences, since I kind of used to hike a little bit in the past, have been very pleasant. A lot of people have been out there with their dogs and stuff like that. I've never seen anything out of the norm, and don't mean that I won't, but I pray that I don't anymore. I don't at all. Especially considering what's going on these days with people hiking and camping and all that kind of stuff. It's just a lot, and I ain't gonna lie, it was weighing on my heart when before all of that had happened, we decided we were wanting to do this. And so when everything went down with the young lady from New York and the guy from Florida, it just really weighed on me. I was like, man, I don't want to be, you know, going up in those sticks like this, and don't know who we'll see up in there. But, you know, I said, you know what, just kind of be alert and watching, and we're going in as a big group too, so we should be good. But I just tell you, that show was on my mind, because, you know, I normally don't even really do this. I take that back, because I actually used to go, and at one point I was going like every other Saturday with this hiking group that I was a part of for a hot second. It was just a good, peaceful experience to get up in the morning and just get out there and just inhale such fresh and, you know, just great air, and looking at the beauty that God has given us. But enough of all that. I am going to probably hop back on once I get there, and I'll take you guys on a hike with us, so you'll get a chance to experience some of the outdoors with me. But in the meantime, in between time, I'll give y'all a little travel so y'all can just, you know, roll with me. I know I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna take you with me, but I'm excited to have you here. Thank you for tuning in and keep watching. It's gonna be fun. So we are here, guys. We are here. I am waiting on my girlfriends to get here, and we're gonna go ahead and hike the trail. This is trail. This is my first time being out here, so I don't know what to expect. I just gonna put on my little boots and get to walking. I'm excited about it though, because it's so beautiful out here, y'all. So beautiful. I'm gonna show y'all like where I am. I'm just in the car, but to be able to get a view, there we go. It's so beautiful, just the view. And they're building a lot of homes out here too, so people you know, have access to this beautiful trail. But I was gonna say, it's like if you seen it when we drove in, they have like a little area where you can eat and I guess hang out and stuff like that. It's all kind of little community over here. This is like in the cut too, so a lot of this stuff is newly built, but it's really beautiful out here. It really is, really is. But I'm about to text these ladies and let them know I'm out here. Let's see here. Now get back with you guys as soon as we start walking. I told the story, guys. The lighting was just so good I had to get back on. So while I'm waiting on the ladies to get here. But guys, if you you know, if you are new here, y'all gonna see that I'm new to YouTube still. I'm still trying to get my little feel and what direction I want to go. So right now I'm just kind of taking y'all along with things that I do just every day here and there, and you know, whenever I get used to picking up this camera. That's something I'm working on, is getting on here and just kind of talking and stuff like that. But if you have not got a chance to check out my latest video, it is called Fun, Unique, and Easy Fall Cocktails. So I am a girl that likes pretty drinks, pretty cocktails. I've got a lot in the comments, people have said the same thing. It's like, yeah, you know, I like a pretty drink. And I was like, yeah, me too. I'm pretty food, pretty drinks, that's my thing. So I enjoy I've gotten this thing. I decided, I said, each season I'm just gonna create like a collection of drinks, and some of them are existing drinks, some of them are drinks I make up, but are maybe existing drinks with my twist on it. So each season I'm just kind of creating different cocktails and sharing them with you guys. So there'll be definitely more to add it to that collection of fall drinks. I actually have one I might do, I don't know, maybe sometime this week coming up for another video for fall drinks. I just kind of sit and pencil things out and like, this might taste good. This is a fall fruit or fall, you know, ingredient or something like that that will put me in the mind of fall. So I've kind of list of drinks that are in shots that I want to try out, and you know, some will be alcoholic, some will be non-alcoholic. And so I just, you know, kind of been thinking about that, what direction I wanted to go with that. So that's just kind of like a fun thing I like to do as well. But I'm also gonna get on that stove too, honey, and cook some things. I just got a couple of things and ideas that I want to do and try out and test out, and as long as you guys watch it, I'm here for it. I'm gonna do it. So just keep, you know, let me know, give me your feedback on my videos and tell me what you think, because that helps me to be able to, you know, enhance and then grow and do what I want to do, some fun things and things that I think you guys will watch and stuff. But I can't thank y'all enough for the subscribers. Like, my subscribers numbers, you know, have gone up. I had in my mind for this year, since I started late in the year with YouTube, you know, what I thought I could probably reach as far as subscribers, started from scratch, and, you know, trying to push and starting new on Instagram with a page, not using my old page, of what I would get in subscribers. But you guys have blown my mind. I have exceeded my goal, and I'm just so happy and feel so blessed about this, y'all. I'm just really happy about it, and I just pray it continues to grow. I'm still trying to, like I said, get my field and discover my little niche and things like that within the channel. But the best I can do is just share me and things that I like to do and things that I, you know, want to share and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. But it's hard, y'all. It is. Like, a lot of stuff goes into creating videos. I always tell people, you know, yeah, you can get in front of the cameras, you know, and that kind of thing, and that's fine. And some people just got it. They can do it, and, you know, it takes off. But, and then some people really do put a lot of work into stuff, and it takes years for them to get there. And I see a lot of really well established YouTubers share that information, so that makes me feel better, because I put a lot of time in it, but I try to elevate each video and do something different and teach myself something different. I've taught myself how to edit, taught myself how to just do quite a few things, filming and lighting and that type of thing. A lot of this stuff is self-taught, and so I'm learning along the way. And it's a lot, like I said, that goes into it, but you know, you can do it if you put your mind to it, and I really enjoy it. And here's one of my girls that pulled up. You know, if you put your mind to it, you can do it, and that's kind of my mentality about it. And, you know, like I said, I hope everybody likes it, and everybody ain't gonna like it, and I have to understand that, and everybody ain't gonna understand. Everyone is not going to understand you know, the concepts and things that I go for or whatever, and that's okay too. But, you know, it's always my tribe that's out there that will enjoy it and keep pushing me. But for the most part, the feedback has been very, very positive. It's been it's been some learning experiences. People have, you know, taught me some things and told me some things that they recognize and identified in my videos that they want me to kind of, or, you know, advice to kind of help elevate it and make things better. So it's been really a great experience so far. Like I said, it's hard. I work a full-time job though, so trying to figure out time to film and stuff, and just trying to stay on myself about just picking up this camera, even if I'm not looking the best all the time. And, you know, y'all have seen me probably without makeup on than some of my friends have. But since this whole quarantine or pandemic thing though, I really don't wear makeup like I used to anyway. But been trying to focus on my skincare, which is, again, opportunity to do another video. So I'm just kind of going through some things as far as what I want to do and progressing and things like that. But also, I wanted to ask if y'all have any thoughts or ideas of videos that you think I should do. Please let me know. I like to hear that. What do y'all want to see me do? What would you like to see more of? I love to hear that. Let me know, you know, what your thoughts are and stuff. I don't like a whole lot of talking videos. To me, they can get a little boring unless it's about something that, you know, common conversation I think that people want to hear. But I don't think people want to hear me sit here and talk all day and sitting in the car. So I try to be more action and how-tos and things like that. So I'm just working on it. But that's enough for now, y'all. Let's get on this trail. I'm gonna get back on it. Look who I have run into. These are my wonderful prayer sisters. We have, y'all say hi to the vlog. Hi. sissies.
Hello.
You might recognize her. She's in the ending credits of my video.
Without hair.
Without hair. Hi guys. We got a map.
Turn around. I've been walking all the way home. Okay, the yellow is you are here. So, where's the yellow? Where's the yellow dot? I don't see yellow.
I don't either.
My God, today. So we're nowhere.
Yeah.
I
Basically.
think we're right here because this is where we parked, and this is where the sign was.
No, we didn't. But we didn't come in through the. So that's the further side. So this probably is okay.
Because that was the other side.
Stone steps.
I'm getting this in
That's
case
that
we
right
have to
there.
reference this again.
Those are stone steps right there. That's that right there. So I guess this is where we are
On phase 1.
on phase 1. So yeah,
Do we want to take a picture of this?
absolutely. That's a picture.
So basically, we don't know where we're going. We need to make sure we remember the big rock.
Guess this is Plymouth Rock.
It's lovely.
Ooh, I look big.
Girl. In a good way.
Oh my.
Oh, let's go down.
Yeah.
Y'all want to go up in there?
No.
All right.
Girl, not like
Let me tell you, look. I ain't trying to go on no too much of an adventure. Document this. She made it. Okay. Yeah, we have to jump, y'all. Or we'll be in water. Yeah. I'm in Timberland, so it's okay. I'm doing this for alright, y'all. Whoa. Alright. Crossing the water. Now we are on the other side. The crew made it. We made it. We sweaty, but we made it. We're gonna set up shop for a hot second. We'll be back. have had a little lunch. We on the move, guys. Yeah.
Okay, but does this way take us back to the front?
It should, because it ain't doing nothing but taking us back up.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Let us know if you need a breather.
A dog barking. That dog is in the distance.
She don't understand this. Look,
Come run and jump across the
we don't know.
running right with you.
We don't know. He might. We got to be prepared.